Woo!
What? What are their name?
This one,
Yeah,
Oreo.
Oreo
The
and
big one, Mason, and the black one, Princess.
Princess. Oh, so pretty. Right? You like to have pet animals? Yeah, so that's really. Like,
Fuck.
oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay. The small one is their baby.
No, yes, she's the baby. Then the black one is a little bit more, and the big one is a little bit more.
Oh, how old are big one and middle one
The
and
black
the small
one,
one?
So this one
Yeah.
and the black one
Mm-hmm.
is 9 months and 12 months, and the big one is a boy. This one's a boy. This one is a girl, and this one is this girl, and boy. The big one is a boy, and the big one is 1 year and 9 months.
Okay, good. So I want to have a question. When they need to have shit, where they go? Automatically they go to the bathroom, or where they go? They have any special toilet?
Yes. Yes, they do outside.
Oh, they do outside. They don't have any urine in the in your room.
But where we're from, but wait, where we are from, we clean it. After when they go toilet, we clean. We put in a bag and we put in the bin.
Oh, yeah. You put in the bin when they shit in the bag.
Yes, because we don't want to destroy. We don't want to destroy the neighborhood. We want to clean everything.
Definitely.
All my 3 dogs, their home is here.
Yeah.
They can play, enjoy, eat, everything. But when they want to go toilet, they go toilet outside. And when they go toilet, we clean it. And then after we clean it, everything is okay.
Okay, for sure.
Sometimes they go to the park. You know the park?
Yeah. Did you train them?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Do you want me to show you? Do you want me to show you?
Sure. I wanted to see. I like to see it is really.
Hey, Mason, come here, my boy. Mason, look. Watch.
Oh, good.
Mason.
Okay.
Sit. Paw.
Oh, dear.
Other paw. Not this one. This one. Paw. Give me your hand. Give me your paw. Sorry, he's tired a little bit. Sorry. Yeah. You see him? Now watch this.
Oh.
Mason, get your toy. We're going to play a game.
Yeah.
Toy. Play.
Find
your toy. Toy. Watch this. Mason, put the toy here.
Yeah.
Here, leave it.
Oh, good.
Good boy. Bring it to me. Come here. You get out. Get out. Leave it. No, because you know why? He don't want the other dogs to come. Leave it.
He don't want to the other dog. He don't.
But, hey, no. But did you see? I said, do you want to play? Get your toy.
Yeah.
Mason, leave it. Good boy.
Good.
No, leave it. No, you know why? Right now, he don't trust the other dog. For what?
Yeah, I see. The dog is completely just following your command.
Leave it. Watch this. Leave it. Because you know why? The other dogs are surrounding him. Worried.
Oh.
Watch this.
The dog is really so clever.
See this?
Yeah, I see.
You see this?
Yeah. Whoa, how trained it is, really. You've just given them a better training. So good.
Yeah, and you know, and you want to know something? He's only a baby. He's only 1 year and 9 months.
Only 1 year?
Yes, but I know you're going to say, oh yeah, but this is normal actually. No, it's not. Because he's a German Shepherd. German
German
shepherds
Shepherd, yeah.
only become trained. German shepherds only become properly trained when they're 7 years old.
Oh
He's
my
only
God.
one and a
So
half,
it's still 6
and
years
he's
to
learned this
go.
much. Yes.
Oh,
And look
good.
how much he's learned already.
How much you have to spend for every day, like food, carrying, bathing them, or anything out?
For
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
So basically, oh, once again, stop! You're eating my feet, Oreo. That's my pug. She's biting my feet. For his food, example,
Yeah.
because he's a larger breed, a larger dog, he needs larger food and more food.
How much pound you have to spend for the German Shepherd every day?
Harry, can you come here and help me, please? Harry! I'm going to tell you right now. Harry! So basically, what I'm trying to say to you is, sorry, you know what's going on right now?
Oh, it's
They're,
okay.
they're driving me crazy. No, they just break my charger. They just break my charger.
Oh.
The big one, you see. So let me explain. You see this one?
Yeah, I see.
This one, he needs about 20 kg of meat every week.
20 kg meat every week.
Yes.
Oh dear. It's so much. It's so much, really.
Exactly.
Just accept your hobby, just having them in your home. Do you have any benefits?
Which kind of benefits are you talking about?
Talking about like just you are spending so much money behind the pet animals. So
well, the truth of the matter is, my husband, he works very hard.
Oh.
My husband is the breadwinner. My husband is the one that brings in the most money. I don't work, my husband works. And my husband supports me, and he supports my children, and he supports my dogs.
Oh, got it. Yeah, sounds good. So
I stay at home every day, all day,
yeah,
and take care of my dogs and everything else. And my husband is the one that takes care of all of these things.
Oh, yeah, I got it. So I'm really so appreciated that, so happy to be. Thank you for watching.